Hello, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I want to thank you endlessly for all the beautiful messages that you send me. And today we are going to have another honest conversation about manifestation word, what works and what doesn't work. Like me, many of you manifest the life that you desire. You finally visualize it clearly. You use endless possibility to download your vision board, and you print it, you watch it every day. Of course, you go after your responsibilities, daily life, home, work, and many other responsibilities that you have to take care of. And wait for universe to deliver it. Maybe you watch and use meditation, guided meditation, or if you don't have time, sometimes like me, you use the guided meditation while you're going to sleep and listen to words that honestly many of it you don't understand even how it works and what they are saying, and hoping that during the night perhaps you give this possibility to your brain to finally align with universe. So it doesn't work? So stay with me to the end of this video, and I'm going to tell you what the manifestation word doesn't tell you. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who needs to listen to it. And I'm going to share with you my own experience and what it works and what doesn't work in manifestation word. So see you in a few seconds. Here is what in manifestation words no one wants to admit. Manifestation doesn't appear magically just because you have a clear vision board which is aligned with what you want. It's not because you're listening to the guided meditation or light a candle or spend few minutes to just manifest it and align your mind with universe. It doesn't magically appears at your door, and it doesn't work because finally you have a clear vision board and you downloaded it and printed it. And if it doesn't work, it's not your fault, and it's not because you did something wrong. It's because you're trying to build a new life from the same old pattern, because you cannot expect different result from the same habit that you had always. For months I tried to manifest freedom, and I was thinking that I'm very clever because I thought, okay, manifestation doesn't work just because I have a goal of freedom. I have to understand what that freedom serves for. So I thought, I need freedom because I need more space and ease to do what I love. But then I was saying yes when I meant no. I was always overbooked. I was trying to rush to help others just because I wanted to gain their respect. I was not blocked. I was not disconnected from universe. I was disconnected from myself. I was betraying myself while I was expecting the universe to deliver something to me. You know, you don't get what you want. You get what you repeat. The truth is, manifestation is not about visualizing harder. It's about finally being honest with yourself and looking at a pattern of your life. That's what the manifestation word doesn't tell you, because it's not glamorous. It's not about moon ritual. It's not about lighting a candle and listening to guided meditation of getting out of your body or feel your hand or feel your leg. Meditation is very good things, but to create a space in your life, in your mind, to be more aligned with understanding what you desire but it's not the answer. It's not what the universe is going to deliver to you. It's about creating a space in your mind to understand the pattern of your life and where you're doing wrong. Manifestation is about asking yourself, why am I keeping the same thing that is not aligned with the life that I desire? It's not about aligning with universe and doing the same thing you're doing always. You cannot manifest a perfect body by visualizing it and finally printing a clear idea of the body that you desire and listen to the guided meditation while you're eating a pack of potato chips and a bottle of Coca-Cola and a double burger and hoping that the universe is going to deliver to you. It's about observing yourself, the pattern of your life. It's not about just visualizing it, but it's about to understand the pattern that you have to change. As I said, you are what you repeat, not what you visualize. You visualize it to have a clear idea of what you want. But then the first step is to understand the pattern of your life that you have to change, the habits that you have to add to your life to reach to your goal. The first step you can take is to look at the pattern of your life. See what you really desire. You want freedom. Stop being overbooked. You want love. Don't abandon yourself. You want to grow. Try to understand that this is scary. Changes are scary. That's why you leave it to universe to do it for you. And universe doesn't deliver. You are the one who delivers the life that you desire to yourself. By understanding the pattern of your life. Today, just look at the pattern of your today's life. How many responsibilities you have? Check it. One single responsibility that you can avoid that doesn't need to be taken today. So fill that gap, fill that space with one step that you can take toward the life that you desire. Because 1% today is a 365% in 1 year of changes. You can manifest the truth while you're performing. You can manifest your truth by repeating memory and the pattern of your life that you have. That's the life you live, the one that you repeat every day. So if you're tired of pretending that manifestation alone will deliver to you, stick around. Here we are going to talk about true changes. That one single step that you can take every day to change the pattern of your life. By understanding it, by understanding what have to be finally changed in your life. It's not glamorous. Those people that they are selling the idea to you, they are working hard. They are actually changing every day the pattern of their life to sell the idea to you to not change and see it and manifest. The truth is, universe will not deliver. You deliver the life that you desire by changing the habits. You are what you repeat, not what you desire. So, share this video to a loved one that is tired of pretending and manifesting and waiting for the universe to deliver. Stick around, and in this community we are talking about true changes, not a dream. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, support my channel, and together we can change 1% a day. Until next video, goodbye.